In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a webinar using Microsoft Teams. Hosting a webinar can be an excellent way to engage with your audience, share your knowledge widely, and even generate leads for your business. So, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your web browser. In the search bar, simply type Microsoft Teams and hit Enter. This should bring up the official Teams website as one of the top results. Click on this link to proceed. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in. Make sure to have your credentials handy. As you input your email and password, keep in mind the security of your information. Using strong and unique passwords is always a best practice. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand panel and locate the calendar icon. This is where all your scheduling magic happens. Click on the calendar to open it. With the calendar view open, look for the New Meeting button, usually found at the top right corner. Right next to it, you'll see a drop-down arrow. Click this arrow and select Webinar from the list. This will take you to the webinar configuration page. Here, you'll want to start by filling in the basic information about your webinar. Give your event a compelling title, one that succinctly captures the essence of what you'll be discussing. Next, set the date and time, remembering to account for different time zones if your audience is global. Write a brief description to entice potential attendees, giving them a clear idea of what they can expect to learn. Next, you'll need to decide who gets access to this webinar. You can make it public or restrict it to your organization. Consider factors such as the subject matter and your target audience to help guide this choice. After that, you'll want to add your presenters and any co-organizers. Microsoft Teams allows you to include up to 20 external presenters, offering you the flexibility to bring experts and perspectives from outside your organization. Once you've added everyone, click Save to move forward. The next step involves personalizing your webinar. Go to the theming section within the scheduling form. Tailor your registration page by adding a dynamic cover image and colorful theme to match your brand. Additionally, presenter bios can add a personal touch and elevate interest. Now it's time to set up your registration form. Customize it with fields that will help you gather pertinent information from attendees. This can be incredibly useful for follow-ups post-webinar. Finally, take a moment to review all the information and configurations you've set up. Check for accuracy and make sure everything aligns with your goals for the webinar. When you're satisfied, save these settings. And there you have it, a webinar ready to inspire, educate, and connect. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped demystify the process of setting up a webinar on Microsoft Teams. Happy hosting!